going on, everybody? Another day. We're gonna try to get some progress done on Jock. The goal of the day is to take the door glass out and the glass right here, the side rear window glass, possibly the rear glass, and lastly the front windshield. So that's today's goal. I'll be back later on to let you know what the progress is later. So it's been a while. I had to change some brakes on another car today, so didn't get to work on Jock as much as I wanted to, but I have started working and just want to show you a little bit what I've been doing. I've been trying to get this front windshield out, and I'm almost there. Probably gonna wrap it up for the night. Been a long day. Not as much progress as I wanted, but the fact that it is some progress. So a little bit a day, a little bit at a time. Pretty soon it'll all start unfolding and getting where we need it to be. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stop by if you want to. Come check me out. Later.